So I started with this wood paneled board, and I gave it 2 coats of Antique Villa from Wise Owl Paint. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And this paneled board had come from Michael's around Christmas time. It was part of a wood tree skirt, and we just took the sections apart. Once that was dry, I gave it a nice sanding using a 220 grit sandpaper, and then I just removed all of the dust. I mixed some paint here on a paper plate. The first one was just dried thyme. The second one had dried thyme and a little bit of Antique Villa. And then I did squirt a very small amount of a lime green in there. And then my third plate was Antique Villa and some lime green. Now I didn't use any exact measurements. I just wanted 3 different shades of green. Now, I had found this adhesive succulent plant stencil at Michael's. It came with 3 different types of plants, and I started by putting one in the center of my board, and using some smoky quartz and a dabber, I just filled the bottom pot with the smoky quartz. Then I laid more painter's tape down, and I did the top of the succulent with the different shades of green. Now, my head kept getting in the way here, so I will show you how I did it on the other 2 succulents I'll be doing. So the pack came with a smaller size succulent, and I put that to the left. And I took the painter's tape and blocked off the top and filled in the bottom with the smoky quartz. And then moved the painter's tape, so then I filled the top plant in with the different shades of green. And I just dabbed the different shades into each section, and I didn't worry if any of the greens hit or mixed into each other because I just wanted it to have the different shades. It did not have to be perfect. And then I took the same one and put it to the right. And now these are the adhesive stencils, which work really nicely. And you just want a very small amount of paint on your dabber so the paint doesn't bleed underneath the stencil. And then I did the same thing. I took the different shades and I just randomly filled in the different sections. And there you go. Then I measured out where I wanted some knobs to go. I had these glass knobs that I believe I got from Pier 1 a long time ago, but Hobby Lobby has a great deal on their knobs, especially when they're 50% off, and they have a huge selection. I just drilled in some holes and placed the knobs in. Now, once I had all the knobs in, I just flipped it over, and I put a nut on the back side, and I tightened each one. Now, most likely your knob screw is going to be too long, so I have this bolt cutter, which is very easy to use, even though it looks a little intimidating, and I just snipped the back of each screw. And there you go. Now you just have this succulent wall decor that you could put in an entryway, or you can even hang some necklaces from. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com, and you can check out some other tutorials over on our YouTube channel. Have a great day.